Hello everyone and welcome to day 3 of the Learn Persian with Chai and Conversation Summer Word of the Day series. I'm Layla, and if you've been following along, we're doing a different Persian word for every day of the summer. And today is Friday, so it's been a short week, but in general on Fridays I want us to just review the words that we've learned throughout the week, and Saturdays and Sundays we won't be having a word of the day. So we started on Wednesday since that was the first day of summer. So this week we're going to have a very short review session. And as always, I have my cup of chai with me, my hot cup of chai, which I don't know if you guys know, but Iranians will have hot chai throughout the year, no matter how the weather is. And here in Austin, Texas, I don't know if you can see out these windows behind me, it's an extremely hot day. It's the hottest day that we've had so far in the year. But despite that, we don't do iced chais like they would here in Texas. And I've actually heard that the reason for that is that it actually helps cool you down because it makes your body temperature a little bit higher and it makes less contrast with the outside weather. So whether or not that's true, either way, hot chai tastes good even in the middle of the afternoon in a hot summer day. But like we do during the week, I'm going to say a word and you're going to repeat it after me. And let's go over the 2 words that we learned this week. I'm just going to say the English version and see if you can remember the Persian word for it. So the first word that we learned was the word for summer. And that is, hopefully you got that, it's tābestoon. So again, the word for summer in Persian is tābestoon. And the second word that we learned was the word for sun, the sun. And that's khorsheed. And again, the word for sun in Persian is khorsheed. And we go over that sound in, I think, the very first podcast lesson of Chai and Conversation. It's khe. It's a little bit difficult to say, but with a lot of practice, you can get it. So again, the word for sun in Persian is khorsheed. And another thing we're going to do on these weekly recap lessons is learn the words in a little bit of context. So the word tābestoon is the word for the season of summer, and the word for season in Persian is fasl. So then to put it together, to say the season of summer in Persian, you'd say faslé tābestoon. And I have it written. It's the first one up there. Faslé tābestoon. And then another phrase that we associate with summer, or I do at least, is to say it's finally summer. And the word for it's finally, or the word for finally in Farsi is belakharé. So then to say it's finally summer, you say belakharé tābestooné. You have to say it with enthusiasm like that, because usually it means either, school is out or it's time to go swimming, like we do here in Austin in our spring-fed pools. This is starting to sound like a commercial for Austin, but so again, it's belakharé tābestooné. Here we have it written. It's that second one on there. So belakharé tābestooné. And then we learn the word for sun, and again that's khorsheed. And in a lot of cultures, the sun is associated with the male gender, and the moon is associated with female gender. But for some reason in Persian culture, the sun is feminine, and we call the sun Miss Sun or khorsheed khānoom. It's right there. So khorsheed khānoom or Miss Sun. And you'll see drawings of this all the time. In Persian culture, a round face is considered the height of beauty, and you'll see this round sun with a woman's face drawn in it, and that's considered very beautiful. And that's again khorsheed khānoom. Now another word that means sun in Persian is the word āftāb. And this could be used to mean sun, so it's a synonym. But as we we had a comment yesterday from a listener that the word āftāb technically means the sunshine. So that is true, but often it's used as, to mean the sun. But the word khorsheed is just the noun sun. So both of those can be used. Khorsheed or āftāb. So again, that word is, that last word on there, āftāb. Great, and that's all the words we're going to cover for today. Now is a good time to leave below in the comments any words that you want to learn. We have a lot of days ahead of us, so a lot of chances to learn the words that you want to know that are hopefully associated with the summer. In addition, visit our website, tryandconversation.com. We'll have all these words written out phonetically in English so you can learn them. And we'll also put them in Persian script there as well, in case you're interested in that. Other than that, hope you have a great weekend and see you on Monday for day 4. Thanks for joining us. And again, this is Layla from Austin, Texas, signing out.